In April 2020, 1 week after the nationwide lockdown, the Modi government was told that there will be an oxygen shortage. But they did nothing. The Modi government ignored the report that was made by a task force created by the government and the Union Health Secretary. Red flags on the oxygen shortage came up several times, but each time the Modi government chose to look the other way. The central government itself made an empowered group to coordinate with the private sector, NGOs and international organizations for response related to COVID activities. In the meeting held on 1st April last year, the empowered group said, in the coming days, India could face a shortage of oxygen supplies. This meeting, which was headed by Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant, was attended by members from NDMA, PMO Office, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Cabinet Secretariat and India's Principal Scientific Advisor K. Vijay Raghavan, along with many others. Not just the empowered group, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health also flagged the issue of availability as well as affordability of medical oxygen and asked the government to encourage adequate production of oxygen for ensuring its supply as per demand in the hospitals. On 16th October last year, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan also highlighted the use of non-invasive oxygen in COVID-19 and requested the government to fix the prices and maintain adequate oxygen inventory, since out of the 6,900 MT of medical oxygen that India produces per day, 6,000 MT of oxygen was being used by industries. Fast forward to this year, just as the second wave started and India reported around 53,000 cases on March 30th, the Maharashtra government issued an order that 80% of oxygen production will be used only for medical purposes and will be supplied to hospitals only. Even this clear indication was ignored by PM Modi and his band of merry campaigners who were too busy with elections to focus on the nation's needs. Not until yesterday, April 22nd, did the government implement its ban on oxygen for industrial use. It took thousands of deaths, lakhs of infections and hundreds of hospitals to run out of oxygen for this cruel and thoughtless government to wake up. Imagine losing a loved one because they didn't have access to oxygen and then finding out that the government you elected knew this would happen 1 year ago but chose to do nothing about it. How would that make you feel? Today, lakhs of Indians are feeling that pain. This government knew an oxygen crisis could happen, but it chose to ignore the warning and chose to do nothing to avoid it. Modi government abandoned India in its greatest hour of need.